food, fun, and fitness. Beaufort Elementary School is teaming up with Clemson Extension so students can take part in their expanded food and nutrition education program. During their physical education classes, 4th and 5th grade students are learning hands-on about healthy eating habits.
Each week we focus on something different. As you saw today, make half of your grains whole. We've also learned about sugar in drinks, and we've learned about creating low-fat snacks and less sugar snacks. And I think it's a great opportunity for these kids to learn.
So the kids, not only do they get the lesson, get to prepare the food, taste the food, but then we also put it into practice. So it's like, okay, what does it look like to have 3 fruits and 5 vegetables a day? And they put it on their breakfast, lunch, and dinner plate, so they're able to kind of apply what it is that they learned.
For this activity, students made their own healthy snack.
We had like this pocket of bread, and then we put cucumbers and carrots in it, and then whenever we were done, we put either ranch or Italian dressing on it.
The students are excited to be tasting lots of new delicious recipes.
Some people don't eat a lot of healthy because they don't think vegetables are good, but this is a chance to where you could figure out how good vegetables are. Some people don't eat healthy much and because they don't like vegetables, but whenever we're trying all these new recipes, some people find out that they do like vegetables.
I always tell them you don't have to eat it, but at least try it. So there's always a lot of times where they try something and they're like, oh, I actually like that, and they're surprised by it. So it's fun to see them eat healthy things that they might not have tried and actually like it.
During the 6-week program, students also participate in several physical activities, and at the end of each lesson, they take home a newsletter packed with healthy eating tips and family-friendly recipes.
I love it when the kids try the recipes with their family because, often even as adults, there's things that we don't want to try, so they bring the recipes home and they get to try it with their families, and then as a family, then they can make healthier choices together.
The expanded food and nutrition education program is designed for students in 3rd through 5th grades and is available for all district elementary schools. At Beaufort Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Or if it's easier for you to use a spoon,